Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to use a matrix and how to perform a matrix multiplication in Python by using NumPy library. The NumPy library has a matrix object that can be used for this purpose. Let's see how to use it in our example. So first, I'm going to import NumPy as np, and now this is our matrix np dot matrix, and we can create our matrix now. Pass in the values 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 and 7 8 and 9. This need to be on a separate line as np. Now it's better. And also I need to remove this extra one over here, square bracket. And we can also print our matrix. So I'm just going to run our program. And here is our matrix printed. Now I'm going to print transpose pi using m dot uppercase T inside our print function. M dot uppercase T. And now we are going to print the inverse. Print m dot I, and I'm going to save it and run. And here's our transpose and inverse. Now we are going to multiply the matrix. I'm just gonna clear it. Now I'm going to create a vector and multiply. We np dot matrix and pass in 4 and then 8 and at the end the 2. Need another square bracket here and at the start, and save. And after this we are going to multiply m with the v and print out the value. Print m matrix with the v1 and save and run. And here is the result of a multiplication of matrix to matrix. So this way we can use matrix and matrix multiplication in Python using NumPy library. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.